Yes, your guess is right. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make these origami glasses. So without any delays, let's get started. Okay, so for this model, I'm using an A4 sheet. First, fold like this so that these two corners meet. Like that. And now turn and fold in half like this. And now unfold. Okay, now fold it in the long diagonal, not this one, the longer one. Just fold it. And now fold this down like that and make sure to keep it centered. This edge should go there. And now fold this edge down to this edge. And now fold it down one more time. I know it's thick, just try your best. Okay, now it should look something like this. Crease it well. And now fold this back right where this edge meets this edge. And again, crease it well because it's really thick. And fold on this side too. Now let's shape it. So fold this corner up about a little bit, just like that. And now fold this corner up and try to make it match. Now it should look something like this. And you can round this more. For that, take this point and fold it up a little bit. Like that. It was like that, so just fold it up like that. And repeat on that side like that. And now repeat here. Like that. Like that. And you just fold it up. Okay, so now it should look something like this. Just fold these behind. And now if it's not staying on well, fold this down so that this point meets this edge. Like that. And now fold it down again so that this point meets that edge. Like that. Now this should stay on good. And repeat with this side. Like that. And like that. And now fold these again. And it should look something like this. And now you're done.